Welcome! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane. And this is the airplane mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message airplane mode on, and also the icon will change the color, which indicates that the airplane mode is enabled. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the airplane mode icon will appear at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, the airplane mode off message will appear, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.